Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Trader Network. My name is Chris. If you are new here, we do a monthly giveaway for all of our subscribers. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. This month is going to be a $100 USD giveaway. Once we reach 2,000 subscribers, we are on track. We're going to bump that up to $200 every month. Like I said, all you have to do is be subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button down below. And let's go ahead and jump into this. So this is our weekly crypto portfolio update and the crypto news for last week. We have Bitcoin up 4.1%, Ethereum up 12.2%, looks like Cardano up 6%, so as Alex Becker would say, you could start eating some ham. We have Solana up 8%, Dogecoin up 11%, and Shiba up 32%. So Shiba and Doge really been pumping over the course of this past week. We have an article that kind of discusses that, and we are down a little bit over the 24 hours, so Bitcoin down 1.6% and ETH down almost 4% in the 24-hour mark. So we did hit over 2,000 with ETH, and we're back down to about 1,900, but doing really well. So that is on the news of the inflation read being a little bit lower than expected. So that's really good news with the Fed coming out with that. So hopefully we continue on this uptrend. That would be absolutely fantastic. So let's keep keep our heads up and make sure that your dollar cost averaging in, and that is the one thing that we are going to jump into. So if you haven't been doing this already with us, we are at week 8. This will be going into week 9. We have total invested of $800 and total portfolio value of $1,100. We are up 40%. So we started on 617 and we purchased ETH at 1097. If we go back and look at the ETH chart here, the absolute lowest, so if you got into this the day after I said start dollar cost averaging in, June 18th, that was the absolute lowest at 993. We got in June 17th, 1085. So as you can see, we go back here, 1097 was what we purchased for at the time. So I really hope that you guys have started dollar cost averaging in over the past couple of months. That is the only way to time the market. We were one day off, so pretty darn close. And I do believe that that was the bottom, and that's why I wanted to start this dollar cost average portfolio. So like I said, please follow along with this dollar cost average into your favorite crypto, whether it be ETH or Bitcoin or Solana, Cardano, whatever you choose. But we've already hit those lows. I think that we're only going to go up from here. So now is definitely that time that we want to start dollar cost averaging in if you have not done that already. You don't want to just throw in everything that you have, all in one shot.
40,500,000 all in. Raise all in.
Because it is impossible to time the market, and that's why the dollar cost average works so well. So like I said, we are right now up $319 on an $800 investment, 40% gain. That is wonderful. If we continue to dollar cost average in and that market continues to go up, then we do really well. But the market does have up and down cycles. We were in that bear market for the past, couple of months. So this kind of, hedges against, having that volatility in the market, where we could be, putting all of our money in right now, and then the market goes back down to, $1,500 ETH, and we've lost a bunch of money. So dollar cost average allows you to work that out to where you're making the best returns over the length of time. So like I said, follow along, guys. Put it into Bitcoin, put it into ETH. If you only have $10 a week to put in $10 a week. That is going to be huge in the long run, and you do not want to miss out on starting to dollar cost average into this market. So that is the main thing is don't miss out on this. All right, so like I said, we could jump into the news real quick, and then we will do the miner updates. So we have miner Chandler Gao repeats support for Ethereum fork post merge. This is I guess one of the main Ethereum miners. He's looking to have a hard fork done. Basically, these miners are all going to be out of business as far as Ethereum goes, once we do the merge. So he told CoinDesk's First Mover program on Friday that he's helped organize miners to back his effort as a way to save them from having to shut down their business. Now, there's other things that they can do. They can go to ETH Classic, which is actually what they forked in the first place. They're basically not going to make as much money because Ethereum is such a large network and Ethereum Classic is much, much smaller. So they're going to have to be fighting each other for those, for the compute power, you know, to mine Ethereum, so, or Ethereum Classic if they do switch to that. And there are other, you know, proof of work, you know, coins out there that they can switch to. You know, a lot of these mining equipment is really focused on one specific thing. So, you know, they can really focus on Ethereum, but there are, you know, Ethereum-like protocols out there that they can switch to. So this guy's kind of just whining, in my opinion. You know, yeah, he's going to lose some money, or he's going to lose some return on investment, I should say. But basically, they're just upset that Ethereum is going to proof of stake, and the proof of stake network is good for us. So bad for the miners. All right, as far as Shiba Inu Dogecoin jump, futures tracking the two coins saw over 25 million in liquidations in the past 24 hours. So we got a picture of a cute little doggy there. Meme tokens, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin gained over 15% in the past 24 hours as risk-on behavior returned to crypto markets. The rally came in as ETH broke 2,000 level. Really no explanation for this one other than just basically they think it was a lot of liquidations from shorts. So, you know, I wouldn't go all in on Shiba and Doge right now. I don't believe that this pump has anything, you know, behind it. So just keep that in mind if you are, you know, thinking about putting into Shiba and Doge. All right, so ETH, Vitalik Buterin was at the Blockchain Futures Conference in Canada this week, and he said, hey, look, it's a monkey. The co-founder spoke as ETH, the network's native coin, reached the highest level since June as the merge passed the test. Really quickly brief on this one. The original catalyst behind the creation of cryptocurrencies, Buterin noted, was social change. Instead, millions of people have crypto wallets for a decidedly more whimsical purpose, so that they can trade monkey pictures, he said Wednesday at the Blockchain Futures Conference in Toronto. Obviously, he's talking about, you know, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and he doesn't hate the Bored Ape Yacht Club. That's, you know, not what he's really trying to say. He just thinks it's funny. You know, when crypto, you know, in my opinion, is used for currency, and then you know, all these split offs with the NFTs and stuff, and it is kind of funny. I mean, it's just a picture, but it's worth so much. It's crazy. Buterin was also very upbeat about the Ethereum Merge, an event that could take place next month that will dramatically change the underpinnings of the network, cutting energy consumption in the process. Ethereum's energy consumption after the merge will be reduced by more than 99.9%. So it's a big improvement. So that's pretty much all we had from Vitalik. And then Ethereum's merge now has tentative September dates, so this is huge for us. This is what we've been waiting for, and this is what has caused the, you know, the ETH pump to be higher than Bitcoin. So Ethereum developers discussed some potential dates for the long-awaited event. Also, the Gorilla testnet merge post-mortem. So it now looks like more likely that the major Ethereum overhaul known as the merge will take place in September. Likely dates include September 15th, 16th, or 20th. Most of the developers agreed they would aim to have the Bellatrix upgrade live around September 6th. Bellatrix is the name of the upgrade that will kick off the process of the merge and set everything in motion. So we really want to focus on when they start this Bellatrix upgrade, because after that you have 14 days before the merge takes place, and I really think that that Ethereum is going to pump in those 14 days. So like I said, dollar cost average in. We want to start now if you have not already. There will be a 14-day period between the Bellatrix upgrade and the mainnet merge. That's the length of time that will pass before the network reaches a specific total terminal difficulty, which in turn will activate the merge. The first scenario described in the document began with a Bellatrix upgrade on September 1st, with the merge happening 2 weeks later on or around September 15th. The second scenario would see a Bellatrix upgrade on September 6th, with the merge happening on or around September 20th. Given that the preferred Bellatrix upgrade date is September 6th, the second scenario is more likely. So we're looking more along the lines of September 20th. Developers agreed that they don't want the merge to happen on a weekend, so they will now rethink and rediscuss these dates and estimations next week on their all core developments call. So we'll know more next week on what they decide. At the beginning of the call, developers briefly went over the Go Early testnet merge that occurred early Thursday morning. Developers agreed that it was a successful merge and that the network is healthy. So this is really great news for Ethereum. Go Early testnet merge went great. You know, no issues there. So they really think that when they kick off this Bellatrix upgrade, that everything is going to go smooth, and that is going to be what is really great for us with Ethereum pumping. So like I said, we definitely want to be dollar cost averaging in right now. We will be dollar cost averaging in another you know, $100 in ETH today, so I will fill in this spreadsheet for 1522, and we're going to do $100. And right now we are at 1906.26 for ETH. So we will make that purchase just right after I am done here. Okay, so we can jump on over to the miners and see how we did for the week. Looks like we have a $6.68 collect with baked beans this week. So we are slowly but surely trucking away. $330 total profit, and that is on a $400 initial investment. So again, just kind of trucking along with beans. You know, hasn't been doing great, but I'm hoping that with this network, or I'm sorry, with crypto pumping, that we get back to it a little bit of better returns on baked beans with this one. So BUSD Paycheck, again, we had another 2413 collect. This takes us to $60.29 in profit. This is after fees. Again, wonderful, BUSD Paycheck is doing wonderful. Really happy with my returns here. Same thing with ETH AutoMiner. We had a $16.36 collection. As ETH goes up, those will increase. So that is really great. And just over time, right now we're collecting on a, $1,900 ETH. If we were double that at a $4,000 ETH, we'd be getting, like $36 collections. So, once we go back to all-time highs in ETH, we're going to have even more collections coming out of the ETH AutoMiner. So that is really wonderful. And who doesn't like collecting ETH? That's always great too. So, all right. So we are at total collected $98 out of a $200 investment. So about half of our investment, and we are on week 8. So we'll be on track by week 16. Looks like, I'm sorry, week 9. I didn't change that one. So week 9. So we are on track for, pretty much a 4-month back to initial investment. But like I said, that will decrease as the ETH price raises. So Libera BUSD miner, again, kind of a sorry collection here. $1.52 and then $1.13 after fees. So yeah, we are amount invested 75. But total after what looks like 5 weeks, we're at 659, total profit collected. That's going to take a long time to recoup that investment. Not great there. Not really super happy with that one. Blitz miner, we still have only done 1 collect. We actually are going to be collecting later on tonight. So I didn't want to incur the early claim fees. I think they're 70%. So yeah, we'll wait till tonight. But it looks like it's going to be about the same, about $1.69, $1.70, right on the calculator. So then actual profit, $1.61 after 5%. So about the same, but amount invested on this one is only 50. So we are doing well, and I have noticed that Blitz Miner's TVL has been going up. So people have been still getting into the project, and it is doing well. And hopefully those collections keep continuing to go up. So that's all I have for you guys today. Like I said, make sure that you are subscribed if you want to get into the monthly giveaway. Hopefully we have some more projects coming out soon. I had somebody ask about random giveaways through the month. We do like to give out random giveaways, but generally those are with projects, and with no projects coming out in this horrible bear crypto winter market, we haven't had a whole lot of new projects lately. So if we get a couple of new projects, I would love to do another little pop-up random giveaway. So keep your eyes out for those. I'm hoping that we get some more projects coming out, like I said, as this market is going up. So again, make sure that you're subscribed. If you do want to get on those projects, hit the notification bell. That way you know right away if I release a new video, and you can jump in on those random giveaways. But like I said, that is all I have for you guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we're making some money. Have a good one.